We are now in an aircraft with a larger seat. The gray bar is in place. Optionally, this gray bar can be removed in a separate video clip if necessary for a 31-inch door height. So the brakes right now are engaged so the chair does not move around in the aircraft. First, we're going to disengage the brakes so the chair can be pushed manually. Over on the left side, there's a little bar that can be lifted up. Disengaging the brakes.
This be on the right side of the chair?
On the right side. Once that's disengaged, the chair can be pushed manually. Push on the outside edges of the armrests. And now the chair can be disembarked from the aircraft. When you need to, you can re-engage the brakes. And the brakes will need to be engaged so the chair can be driven under power. On the left side of the chair, there is the main fuse. This is going to be slid outward to engage it. You'll hear it lock into place, and the chair will get power. Swing the joystick controller forward. And now the chair can be turned on and driven if necessary. Make sure it's in the slowest mode by pushing these buttons so only one little light shows. One little bar shows. Okay. Turn the chair back off. Swing the armrest out of the way. And now we're going to put the backrest into place. So flip the armrests up out of the way. Open the seat belt so that it doesn't get pinched. Finally, on the back of the backrest, there's this black plate that slides up and down. There's two slots on it. These slots engage over these gray pins. So as we flip the backrest up into place, hold that black bracket up and line up those slots with the gray pins. So it slides down over the top and engages. Once engaged over the slots, you can look from the side here to make sure that they're correct. Pull the padding forward slightly. You can look at where the pin is to make sure that the slot is fully engaged over the pin. Okay, come around to the back. There's two thumb screws that must get tightened at the bottom. Pull the backrest up all the way back. Tighten up these thumb screws to lock everything into place. Okay, and then at the top there's a gray pin. That's good. Once they're tight, at the top there's a gray pin that inserts through the hole, and a little silver pin slides over the pin to lock it into place. If necessary, you can tighten it with a pliers, but it should go into place with your fingers. Finally, flip the armrest forward. Swing the joystick controller forward. Flip the bag back over the backrest. Tilt the backrest back a little bit. Using the second button in, we're going to tilt it back. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to put the thigh pads in, which are in the overhead bin of the aircraft.
The thigh pad goes in the farthest back slot on the side of the wheelchair.
And finally put the cushion in place. With the low spot in the cushion, the zipper, and the lowest point on the cushion facing backwards. These two little air spigots will be facing forwards in the front corner here. Show them, Michael. So these will be facing to the front corner. You'll have it in the right position. Okay, now the chair's ready to place the occupant in it.